So Carson, as you can see, a little patience goes a long way when you're grinding and polishing concrete. So just to recap there, we had the 70 grit scratches, and we had drawn that black circle with the X over top. A little bit of water mist, not a lot of water. You don't want to flood the floor. I always tell guys it's like it's raining, just the raindrops on the floor. You let that rain kind of soak in a little bit, and then you take your achromic tools, your 100 grit achromics. You could have also used a 50 grit achromic, but the 100s here did a good job. If the 100s weren't removing the scratch in sort of a timely fashion, then you could drop down to the 50s. But yeah, for sure, just run those 100s in that circular pattern, or that circular motion. Do not run the machine like a lawnmower when you're when you're trying to take out these scratches. And a little bit of patience, and they will come out 100% with the 100 grit achromics.